I'm sure. Now I'm ready.
Today, Thomas and I are here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We will be backpack camping throughout the Smoky Mountain National Park. It is my first time here, so I am super excited. There is currently a burn ban in effect, but that will not stop us from having a great time. Come along with us as we explore the Smoky Mountains.
There was the rail company that used to be here. That's what the trail is for logging. And a lot of people built summer homes off of the river, and that's what these structures are. I think I know the way. That right on that tree line looks like a bobber. Like right.
Oh, it is, yeah. That thing is crazy. It's glistening. Alright, he's gonna go take a shit. We're just taking a break. We're about like a mile or so in. We got about like 2.5 miles to our campsite, but I'm just chilling here, letting him take a deuce. So, it's gonna be a good trip. Really looking forward to this one. Hope he's okay.
I did it! Two tons. I didn't think he was gonna make it across.
So we're about to make it to our first campsite. Looks pretty cool. Oh! A little slippery.
3 hours, 5 minutes.
6 miles?
7.07.
Damn, 7 miles. It's the first site. We're gonna go check out the other one over there.
You could
10 or so people.
Here, yeah.
Huh.
I don't like this
We got options.
I don't like this one.
A little more space.
Yeah. Oh, there's the bear line.
Oh, well, that's a little close to us, don't you think?
Yeah, no, 100%. But if we camp over there, we could just use the bear line.
Yeah, I'd be down for that. That's pretty far.
Yeah.
Okay.
Far enough, yeah, 100%.
Swag.
All right, word. Here, let's get rid of the sticks first.
Probably because it's not me and Nick doing it.
Person that owns it.
So, what are you doing? Ow!
Oh, jeez.
Alright, so this isn't necessarily everything I brought, but just, I guess, all the stuff I haven't put away yet. We got some ready meals, tortillas for the ready meals, some snacks, breakfast package, headlamp, bear spray, some plates, shovel for number 2, a little towel, and then all of my rest of our stuff is just hanging up here. And so we set up and we're looking good out here. It's a little cold though. It's a little cold.
It's like getting scary.
We're just sitting at camp right now. We are bored as shit. There's currently a burn ban here in the Smoky Mountains, so we cannot make a fire, cut down any wood, or do anything like that. So we did not realize that that is the literal majority of what we do when we camp. So we're just sitting here, probably for the next few hours.
Chatting, talking it up. I was whittling a stick for a little bit.
We whittled for like maybe 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Thriving out here in the Smoky Mountains. We're gonna go fishing.
Dude, it's been a while.
We are moving. Fish spots, fish location. That spot wasn't ideal. We cast it a whole lot. Nothing really there. So we're just trying to scope it out. Hopefully we catch ourselves a little brookie or something.
You can skip stones over here.
been to 4 different spots to try to catch fish. Nothing's really biting. I feel like the snow on the ground is just making the water temperature really cold and nothing's really happening. This is our best spot. I mean, it's the deepest water we have. This nice little cubby over here is probably where all the fish are at, but like, I mean, at this time, I don't think we're gonna catch anything, but it's just fun being out here. Guys, I think Tom got something. It's massive. Holy shit, holy shit. Reel it in, reel it in, reel it in, reel it in. Get it. Oh! 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 It's probably like 8 pounds.
Yeah.
It's a brookie. All right, we just made it back from fishing. We caught nothing. Tom is currently changing, as you can see. It's going ham. We're just probably about to change, get warm, make some food. Hey!
Warm.
Hey!
Nice warm.
We changed. All right, so for dinner, chicken Alfredo. What are you rocking?
Chicken
Alfredo. All right.
Dinner time!
Our only means of survival is basically right here. Low key.
Dude, Jeff Boyle and Mountain House meals and water. That's all you need. Cliff Bars and jerky and some sugar.
Oh, we do got that.
That's what I'm talking
We do got that. Thing's fat. This is bigger than the last
Don't forget
meal,
to
I
take
feel
out the
like.
back
No,
end.
I was gonna leave it in there for extra flavor. Oh, it smells so good.
Actually, this should be south. This should be west. That should be east. Money, dude. South, north, east, west. Wait, that's what I said? It's just iced tea.
I think mine's perfect.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, we finished up dinner. We're probably, now that the sun's going down, probably just gonna go into the tent and just try to go to bed. I mean, we were gonna be here for 2 nights and 3 days. However, after just deciding that we're just kind of just sitting here and it's really cold, we're probably only gonna stay here tonight and then just head out tomorrow. We don't have that much to do because we don't have to gather firewood or anything like that. We're just kind of just sitting here chilling. As soon as the sun goes down, we're probably just gonna get all cozy in the tent. So it's gonna be good. See you guys then.
It's fucking janked up. Can you hold this for a second? I'm not using the fucking clip on this, I'm just using the carabiner I have. Done.
That'll do.
Just like that.
It's a lot easier than it was before.
No bear should be able to reach that.
I don't think so, unless they can.
Unless they're
Tightrope?
fucking 20 feet tall. Yeah.
That's a tall bear.
Yeah. I mean, grizzlies are that big, but black bears aren't usually that big.
We'll just put a tarp over our bags to make sure they don't get wet overnight. I mean, not like they're fully covered or anything, but whatever.
No.
It's enough. We're losing daylight out here, so we're probably gonna go to bed. That's it. We're going to bed.
Good night.
Good morning. It is 7:30. We are probably just gonna go get some water. We drank all of our water. We thought we would not go through it all and not need to use the filter, but we were thirsty last night. And we're gonna get some water and then go get our bear bag and then probably just make some breakfast and head out of here. Maybe do some more fishing today. But yeah, it's pretty cold. It's a lot colder than yesterday. Also, the sun's not looking like it's coming out. Got a little bit of blue skies, but that's nice, but we're just gonna get settling it out. Oh God. It's kind of dangerous to get water in slides, but I did not want to put on my boots because they're wet. So
It's cold water.
it's gonna be hot as shit, dude.
Yeah, you're right. It touched my lip.
I thought you were chugging that thing for a second.
No,
it looked like you were pounding
I was
it.
slowly waiting until it hit my lip. For that reason. Jesus Christ.
We're gonna do one. No, we're just gonna leave it. Yeah. Someone get in. Alright, this is good.
Nice.
All ready to go.
We're finished up packing.
It is 9:45 a.m.
9:45 in the morning.
We should be getting back by 12:45. 1.
Sitting here, we finished what, just over
4.5.
4 miles from
4.5.
camp, and then we got like less than 3 to go. Like
2.
just gonna eat a Cliff Bar, drink some water, and then
I would actually say right there, 2.4.
we got 2.4 miles left. We've decided we're not gonna go fishing.
We're gonna go home.
I mean, do you really want to go fishing?
Nope,
Yeah, okay.
not at all. I want to change out of these godforsaken pants, but yeah, I guess that's. We out.